So what you guys are about to see is part 2 of the series that I shot when I was at the Grassroots Canine Working Dog Seminar. You're gonna get to see Cameron Ford. He's worked for the Navy SEALs. He's worked for your local police department. You know, he's got quite the impressive resume, and he's a specialist in scent detection. If you hadn't had a chance to check out part 1, check out part 1. Now get ready to watch some cool stuff.
Will he be able to read the difficulty? Because it's not going to be the typical on the surface. Don't
do anything or say anything, just let your dog work. You can tell she's in, she's very vocal and kind of worked up. So I know she's in there, she's just not able to access it.
Okay, good call. So odor isn't always accessible. Your dog has to learn how to communicate to you when it's not this fucking far from its nose. Right. Stop always setting up training so it's an always easy win. Challenge. Once a dog knows what to do, challenge it. You need to be able to read that dog under those challenging conditions. This is a great example of that.
Alright guys, this is Rudy, aka Viper Rum Shield.
When I came around the car, his dog was way high on this side. Yeah, so his dog's trying to go up high over here. Yeah, you can, if you want to pay or do whatever you normally do, I'm good with that.
Woohoo! Good job!
Right there, and it's going that way.
That's why he was dropping out the back corner. He's letting me always get in because the way the wind was dropping.
We always do odor really close and easy to the dog.
This is a black Malwa. Special price for the black, right Mike?
Yes.
Yeah,
the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice.
That's right.
You got them all in crates. They're all doing crate training.
Yes, they are. That's Reggie. There's Samuel.
Henry. These are Malinois, guys.
There's Clyde. That's Clyde.
Are they herders or Malinois?
They got a little secret sauce in there.
So they're herders. We call them Malinois. There's a Malinois for you guys. Why is he biting? How do you make him stop?
You're going a little low, so just really try to tuck that elbow. Almost like a little chicken wing. There you go. Go in. Perfect. Nice. Yeah, there you go.
Second. See how we use that?
Now you put that arm down.
Like so it's like a spot.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Straight line.
Good girl. Good girl.